ONBuild is the first comprehensive workface planning solution that combines managing work packages with and without a 3D model. Robust constraint management tools with tasks can be assigned an owner, due date, and priority. ONBuild relieves the workface planner from having to manually chase down updates on important tasks or wait for a coordination meeting to get critical information. Workface planners can easily manage the work packages with efficiency and plan the release of constraint-free packages. ONBuild is unique because of its compatibility with any engineering tool and supports work packaging with or without a 3D model. Bottom line, ONBuild improves workface planning with automation, visibility, and accountability. It's time to turn on the power of O3. Contact us to learn more today.